Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. And in here we're obviously looking for the mode, Do Not Disturb mode, which for me it is on the second page right over here. Now if you don't see it on any of the pages, you can click right here on this little three dots and then select Edit Tiles, and hopefully you will find it somewhere here. It should be accessible, so just press on the plus to add it, and when you go back it should be on one of the pages. Next we're gonna edit it, change the settings. So we do so by holding the toggle and then selecting More. This will redirect us to the settings, and in here, okay, so these are all the settings that are actually very limited. So we have schedule. Here you can choose to set it up on a fully automatic schedule, and this will define when the mode turns on and off, and also in what days of the week. We can tap on the text itself, and this will give us the menu to actually edit this mode. So here we have from and to, so basically start and end time, and then repeat every day, or you can just deselect some of the weeks, so for days of the weeks. So for instance, turned off Saturday and Sunday, and now it will be running from Monday to Friday, starting at 10 p.m. and ending at 7 a.m. And obviously if you want to use the mode, the schedule mode, just make sure that it's toggled on in here, and that's all you would do. And continuing on, back in the main Do Not Disturb mode settings page, we have things like exclusions. So here you can select exclusions, basically what people or apps will be able to bypass this mode. So under people you can select either no one, so no one can bypass this, favorite contacts, or just every contact that is added to your phone. And second one is the application, so you can add certain applications that will be able to still push notifications to you even when the mode is running. Otherwise you won't really be receiving any kind of visible or auditory notifications from said applications. And then below that we have ring for repeated callers. Now this is a decent option in terms of emergencies. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period here actually, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So as an example, you could have it set to none, so no one should be able to call you, or no call should be able to reach you. But with this enabled, if they do that twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass this, and the call will go through as it would normally go without the mode being enabled. And then we have silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So those are all the settings. Once you go through them, you don't have to ever go back in here again. And whenever you want to have some peace of mind, quiet from all the interruptions, just find the mode, tap on it, and it's now enabled. Now here we don't have any kind of timer for the mode, so when you manually enable it, you will also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in your background. And to turn it off, you just tap on the toggle once again. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.